How is memory stored? By Amber. I'm in cognitive psychology. Why do we sleep? 1/3 of our life is spent sleeping. It is proven in studies that even though our bodies are at rest, our brain is actively working without us even knowing. There are several stages of sleep, but the most productive sleep is during REM, rapid eye movement. The activity has a purpose during sleep, however, there is still no consensus on what that might be. Sleep and memory consolidation. There is a growing evidence that memory consolidation occurs during sleep. Some scientists wonder how the different sleep phases contribute to consolidation or what biophysical mechanisms are involved. Some behavioral experiments suggest that the hippocampal formation is required during memory storage for only a limited time period after learning. As time passes, its role in memory gradually develops, probably in neocortex, that is independent of the hippocampal formation. The hippocampal might not be the site for storage for the information before it is consolidated, but may instead facilitate the associative links between information stored in different areas of the cerebral cortex and other parts of the brain. The brain is a magical thing. Just to think about what all the brain does for us, from eating to walking, and to me the most important, memory. Memories such as 5 years ago, memories from 10 years ago, memories from 5 minutes ago. Where do they go? How do we remember them? Do we remember them, or is it like a hard copy in a computer? New methods have developed to eavesdrop on the ongoing activity, and computal models of sleep states have been mathematically analyzed and simulated with digital computers. Lingering questions. What is the time course of memory consolidation? Is consolidation a unitary process? What are the brain regions engaged in consolidation? What is the time course of memory consolidation? It is sufficient to say that the findings so far published endorse the idea that time course of consolidation of a memory trace appears to widely depend on the learning task. Just like no two people are the same, no two brains are alike. People and brains might be similar, but have their own distinctive differences. Is consolidation a solitary process? No, memory is not a single process. There is evidence that shows cells work together to represent information in the brain. There is no single memory center that exists. Different regions of the brain are responsible for different information that has been learned. What are the brain regions engaged in consolidation? Cellular and system consolidation are the two dominant ideas in the last 15 years. Cellular is fast, involving early molecular and cellular events occurring early after training and lasting no more than several hours to a few days in particular brain regions, engaged in acquisition and early processing of new information. System consolidation is slow and entails the participation of neocortical regions and their interactions with the medial temporal lobe structures that recognize the recent learned material. Spindle oscillation appears in the EEG during the early stages of slow-wave sleep. As sleep deepens, slow waves progressively dominate the EEG. These slow waves alternate with short episodes of fast oscillation. Are the same fast oscillation similar to being awake? It is said that these brief spurts are our brain recalling information while we are awake. Slow-wave sleep would thus begin by spindle oscillation that open molecular gates to plasticity, then proceed by repeatedly recalling and storing information. In conclusion, although speculative, this scenario is consistent with the growing evidence that sleep serves to consolidate memories. Many theories are just that, theories. Scientists are learning more and more about the brain, but it is still elusive in some aspects. I hope you've enjoyed this presentation. These are my sources.